Hello friends, and welcome to Cooking with Rod. All the ingredient amounts will be down in the description below, and you can pause the video as you do each step of the recipe. If you make this recipe, please leave a comment and let us know how it went. Here we go. Okay, today we're making egg rolls. These egg rolls were designed to use up leftover ham at Easter, packed with tender vegetables, rice vermicelli noodles, savory ham, then fried until golden and crunchy. Okay, we need to mince up some ginger, then mince up some garlic, and we're gonna grate our carrots. And finally chop our cabbage. Thinly slice our green onions. And slice our mushrooms. And we're gonna thaw and drain our peas. And we're gonna cut our leftover ham into thin strips. We're going to heat our vegetable oil in a large pan over medium heat. We're going to add our garlic and ginger and stir fry that for about 30 seconds until fragrant. We're going to add the carrot, cabbage, green onions, mushrooms, and salt. We're going to cook that for a few minutes until the vegetables just soften. Then we're going to add in our sesame oil and oyster sauce and cook that for about 1 minute. Reduce our heat to medium-low, add the dry vermicelli noodles. Toss with the tongs until the noodles are softened and fully combined. We're going to transfer that to a mixing bowl and add the peas, ham, cayenne, and black pepper. Then we're going to mix that well and taste and adjust for seasoning. So now we have to let that cool completely before wrapping. We're going to place the wrapper in a diamond shape, brush the edges with egg wash, and add about 1/3 of a cup of filling to the lower third. Then we're going to fold the bottom up, fold the sides in, and roll tightly, placing seam side down. Now we're going to heat our oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 Celsius. We're going to fry the egg rolls for 4 to 5 minutes, turning for even browning. We're going to drain those on a paper towel and let them rest for about 2 minutes. You want to serve those while they're still hot. So there you go. Easter ham egg rolls. Enjoy. The complete written recipe will be in the description box down below, so check that out. If you like my content, I'll put a couple of videos that you can watch until my next upload. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell, and share with your friends. We'll see you next time.